Today I'm going to show you how to make a healthy, whole food, plant-based, oil-free version of enfrijoladas. That's next. Enfrijoladas are a bit like enchiladas, except that we're using a black bean sauce. I love using jackfruit as a meat substitute. Just rinse well and chop. Making a good filling is easy. This video is like a 2-for-1 because you can always use this filling in tacos, burritos, tortas, whatever you like. I didn't use any oil in this video because it's unnecessary calories and won't add any flavor to the dish. I simply wait till my pan is hot and I put the onions in. They immediately release so much water that they don't stick to the pan. This jackfruit filling only took about 10 minutes to cook from start to finish. It's very quick to make and it's really delicious. Depending on the softness of your tortillas, you may need to warm them up before rolling them. You can do it on the stove or microwave. This made 10 enchiladas, and I had leftover filling for tacos tomorrow. I like to serve these enfrijoladas with a non-dairy crema casera. You can check out my corn video if you would like the recipe. I'll put the link down below. This is a great dish to take to a potluck or to have at a party. I personally took it to a potluck and didn't bring home any leftovers. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the little bell button so you don't miss out on any of my new videos. I'll be back soon with another delicious recipe. Hasta luego!